Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to write an impressive research proposal for graduate admission. Remember, a well-crafted proposal can make your application stand out from the crowd. Writing a research proposal for graduate admission involves clearly articulating your research question, explaining its significance, and detailing your planned methodology. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you craft an effective proposal. Step 1. Title page. Number 1. Title. A clear, concise, and descriptive title for your proposed research. Number 2. Your name. Full name. Number 3. Program name. The specific graduate program applying to. Number 4. Date. Date of submission. Step 2. Abstract. The summary. Write a brief overview, 150 to 250 words summarizing your research question, objectives, methodology, and expected outcomes. Step 3. Introduction. Number 1. Background. Contextualize your research topic and provide necessary background information. Number 2. Problem statement. Clearly define the research problem or question you plan to address. Number 3. Research objectives. List your primary and secondary research objectives. Number 4. Significance. Explain the importance and potential impact of your research on the field. Step 4. Literature review. Number 1. Current state of research. Summarize key studies and existing research related to your topic. Number 2. Research gaps. Identify gaps or limitations in the current research that your study will address. Number 3. Theoretical framework. Discuss the theories or models that underpin your research. Step 5. Research methodology. Number 1. Research design. Describe your research approach and design, for example, qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods. Number 2. Data collection methods. Detail the methods for data collection, for example, surveys, interviews, experiments, archival research. Number 3. Data analysis. Explain how you will analyze the collected data. Number 4. Ethical considerations. Address any ethical issues related to your research and how you plan to handle them. Step 6. Research plan and timeline. Number 1. Phases of research. Outline the major phases of your research, for example, literature review, data collection, analysis, writing. Number 2. Timeline. Provide a detailed timeline, including specific milestones and deadlines. Step 7. Expected outcomes. Number 1. Anticipated results. Discuss the potential findings and their implications. Number 2. Impact. Explain the broader impact of your research on the field, policy, practice, or further research. Step 8. References. Citations. Include a list of all references cited in your proposal, following a consistent citation style, for example, APA, MLA. Step 9. Appendices, if applicable. Supporting documents. Attach any additional materials that support your proposal, for example, preliminary data, survey instruments, letters of support. Let me make you understand this clearly. You need to understand what a research proposal is. It's the opportunity presented to you by the admission committee to showcase your academic and research abilities. It should demonstrate your knowledge, skills, and potential contribution to the field. So you must put the following into consideration. Number 1. Start with a clear problem statement. Clearly state the issue you plan to address in your research. This helps the committee understand the significance and relevance of your work. Number 2. Outline your methodology. Explain how you will conduct your study, be it experimental, survey-based, or literature review, so they know you have a plan. Number 3. Highlight potential benefits and contributions. Discuss how your research could potentially benefit society or the field of study and what unique insights you will bring to the table. Number 4. Address any limitations or challenges. Be transparent about any hurdles or difficulties you might encounter and how you plan to overcome them. This shows that you're aware of the challenges ahead and have strategies to tackle them. Number 5. Conclude with a summary statement. Sum up what makes your proposed project unique and why it deserves to be funded or accepted by the institution. Remember, writing a research proposal is not just about following guidelines, but also about showcasing your passion for the subject matter through concise yet compelling language. And don't forget to proofread it meticulously before submitting it. I would like to say this again, proofreading is important. Tips for writing a strong research proposal. Number 1. Clarity and precision. Use clear and precise language. Avoid jargon and overly technical terms unless necessary. Number 2. Relevance. Ensure your proposal is relevant to the interests and strengths of the program and faculty members. Number 3. Conciseness. Be concise. Stick to the most important points and avoid unnecessary details. Number 4. Originality. Highlight the originality of your research and its potential to contribute new knowledge or insights. Don't forget to get feedback. Get feedback from mentors, advisors, or peers to refine and strengthen your proposal. Once again, here is a breakdown of what we have discussed so far. Here is an example outline. Step 1. The title page, which includes Number 1. The project title. Number 2. Your name. Number 3. The graduate program, and Number 4. The date. Step 2. Abstract, which is the summary of the research proposal. Step 3. The introduction, which include Number 1. The background. Number 2. The problem statement. Number 3. The research objectives. Number 4. The significance. Step 4. The literature review, which include Number 1. The current state of research. Number 2. The research gaps. Number 3. The theoretical framework. Step 5. The research methodology, which include Number 1. The research design. Number 2. Data collection methods. Number 3. The data analysis plan. Number 4. The ethical considerations. Step 6. The research plan and timeline, which include Number 1. The research phases. Number 2. The timeline with milestones. Step 7. The expected outcomes, which include Number 1. The anticipated results. Number 2. The impact on field. Step 8. The references, which is the cited literature. Step 9. The appendices, if applicable. Some or all the supporting documents. By following this structure, you can create a well-organized and compelling research proposal that will enhance your application and make it stand out for graduate admission. I hope you have a clear understanding of the step-by-step guide to writing a well-detailed research proposal for grad school. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, good luck with your studies.